Good evening, students. Today's topic that I am going to tell you is of Flash. In Flash, today we are going to do shape twinning. How we can change one shape to the another shape. This is the Flash environment. This is called the stage where we'll make all the symbols or objects. Over here we make a circle. So this is one of the object with blue color. On 30 I'll press F7. Now students, remember few things. F6 is for keyframe and F7 is for blank keyframe. Over here I'll make a square. I'll take rainbow. I'll make a square on one of the end. Again on 60 I'll press F7. I'll press key F7, and again over here a small rectangle means it's having more things. I have taken a polystar. I'll make a polystar over here with different colors, say red. I have made a polystar of red color. On 90 again I press F7, and with the pen tool, brush tool, I'll take one other color, say blue. I'll write F, another color red, L, another color a rainbow, A, another color green, S, another color, some more color, H, Flash. So you can see on the first I have make a object that is a circle, then I'll make a square, then I'll make a polygon, then I'll write with the brush Flash. Now my dear students, what to do? Over here we'll select it. You can see twin. You can see twin over here. Select it over here and say shape. Twin shape. Let's see again. We'll click over here. There's an arrow at the bottom. We'll click on the layer. We'll go over here and we click on shape. You can see the difference. There's a green shading behind it. We'll minimize it. Let's see whether it is working or not. Look, it's changing to a square. Now it's changed to a polygon, and now it's changing to a text, that is Flash. This Flash we have written with the help of paintbrush. Now if I again want to give it, I'll click on 120 and press yes F7 and make few objects. Circle, a polygon with a different shade. Let's see. Fill it with red color. Then a square over here, or a rectangle, the different color, say rainbow. Let's see. Again, enter. A circle changed into a square changed into a polygon is changed into a text which we have written with the brush, and again it is changing into 3 different shapes. So this is Flash, changing the shape. I hope you understand it. Students, please try it. It's an easy task. God bless you. Have a nice day. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.